In today's economy, many families with significant estates are looking for ways to protect their wealth from financial uncertainty. The truth is, larger estates can be a double-edged sword. While they offer a comfortable lifestyle now, they also expose you to risks that could jeopardize your legacy. If you're someone with a large nest egg or an estate worth over $500,000, what you're doing with your retirement savings could make or break your financial future. Stick around, because today I'm going to show you smart Gold IRA moves for large estates that can help you hedge against inflation, market volatility, and other uncertainties in the economy. With everything happening in the financial world, like rising inflation rates and the turbulence of global markets, it's becoming clear that traditional investments may not be the best protection against what's coming next. Recently, President Biden's policies on inflation and tax increases have left many investors uneasy. If you've been following the news, you know the pressure on retirement accounts is real. And if you're someone with a large estate, you may have seen your investments perform well. But now you're starting to question, how do I ensure this wealth lasts for future generations? Meet Jack and Linda. They're a couple in their 60s, living in Austin, Texas. Jack is a retired corporate lawyer, and Linda spent years as an executive in the tech sector. Together, they've built a retirement fund worth over $1.5 million in their IRAs and 401ks. They thought they were set until the last few years of economic chaos left them questioning their future. One evening, over a glass of wine, Jack turned to Linda and said, "What happens if we don't make the right move with our investments? What if inflation eats into everything we've worked so hard for?" They decided it was time to act, but they weren't sure where to turn. They wanted a safe way to protect their wealth. That's when they heard about Gold IRAs. Traditional assets like stocks and bonds can be volatile. With inflation eating away at purchasing power, the stock market's ups and downs seem even more unpredictable. So, what's the solution for those with large estates? How do you ensure that your nest egg survives, thrives, and continues to grow over the years? A Gold IRA is an individual retirement account that allows you to invest in physical gold or precious metals as part of your retirement portfolio. Unlike the stocks you may have been investing in, gold has consistently proven to be a safe haven during times of economic uncertainty. Historically, it tends to rise in value when everything else seems to be falling apart. For Jack and Linda, the idea of converting part of their IRA into gold seemed like a smart move. They didn't want to risk losing their wealth. A Gold IRA was the perfect way to shield part of their retirement savings from inflation, taxes, and market crashes. Let me give you an example. Back in 2008, during the financial crisis, gold soared in value while stocks plummeted. Those who had their savings in gold saw their portfolios weather the storm much better than those who relied on traditional investments. In fact, gold has outperformed the stock market in many years, especially during uncertain times. Jack and Linda decided to roll over a portion of their IRA into a Gold IRA, converting about $500,000 into gold-backed assets. And it paid off. Over the next few years, their gold holdings grew in value while the rest of their portfolio barely moved. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Isn't gold risky too? The truth is, gold has been around for thousands of years and has always maintained its value. But the key to success is knowing when and how to diversify. For Jack and Linda, securing part of their retirement in gold wasn't just about wealth protection. It was about leaving a legacy for their children and grandchildren, ensuring that their hard work would continue to benefit generations to come. A Gold IRA works by allowing you to buy physical gold, bars, coins, or bullion, and store it with an approved custodian. You're essentially making your retirement portfolio stronger, more resilient to economic turbulence, and, most importantly, helping safeguard your wealth from the unpredictable forces that threaten traditional retirement accounts. The best part? You don't have to make a huge commitment. You can start by rolling over a portion of your IRA into gold. For Jack and Linda, it was the $500,000 they were most concerned about, and they saw a meaningful difference in their overall financial security. If you're sitting there thinking, this sounds like a lot to figure out, don't worry. There's no pressure to jump right in. In fact, I'm offering a free Gold IRA guide and a no-obligation educational call to help you understand